the sisters. The Cruz sisters. Here in attendance at the arena in San Juan. Finals MVP. Former captain.
Supporting the other sister.
Still plays. Cian Cruz. The rookie. It looks like it. She looks like, well, she looks very young.
Twins yata yan.
Yes. Ang twin niya si Camille.
Camille.
Tama.
Yeah.
Ang unfortunately got injured, remember, last year?
Oo. At talagang very unfortunate. But mga bata pa yan, they will recover right away and soon, meron na tayong twins inside, di ba?
That would be nice.
Yes.
That would be really nice. Here's Carmina Aganon na pumasok kanina lamang para kay Myla Pablo. Abante ng 4 ang De La Salle University. Ito na naman, medyo mali-mali na naman. Uy, tumama ng linya.
Ordaz getting the line on that last play.
Serving 16 here. La Salle ahead, 1 set. Gumabaw.
Oh, easily. Gumabaw once again. So textbook, but so effective. And it's so effective. Look at this. Nakita niya, huli na yung isang blocker. Got that angle. Got the point.
You know, I'm trying to watch Ara Galang receive here. She has a certain calmness about her when she receives serves or even pag pinaluan siya. And I'm looking at the numbers. She is in the top 10. She's 7th best. She has a certain control about her in her receives.
Well, you know, when you receive the ball, sabi nga nung iba, kailangan yung hindi, yung medyo OA, you have that body language, yung body formation.
Sorry, Mosey got distracted by that drill of a spike. Look at this.
Why not? Look at this.
Tama yung angulo. Tama yung dik-dik ng bola. Almost a front line.
Great angle there.
The athlete at work. 18-14. Let's listen to NU.
Tinatapatan ng middle yung cross-court attack. Okay, ikaw yung tumapat doon sa bola. Tapatan mo yung bola. Okay? Hahabol si Dindin. Kung nakatapat kayo doon, wala magiging problema. Okay? Ito. Tsaka ito, nasa harap. Anong dapat mong gamitin mo ito. Okay? Gamitin mo. Lahat ng tao doon sa gitna, puro malalaki. Okay? Gumamit ka rin dito. Gumamit ka rito. Pero mostly gagamitin mo ito. Okay? Sa harap. National.
Yeah!
Coach Francis trying to find something here.
Trying to adjust their offense.
So here we go. This is the girl I was talking about earlier, Ana Galang. This girl, I remember, Mosey, our conversation when we saw her as a rookie. Much talked about coming into the season 74. The one thing that I noticed is the comfort level in the game of volleyball. It looks like
Natural
diba?
Exactly. Natural in this game. Pang when you can see her, tama kayo, sa defense, sa offense, yung reading of the game, it's just there Yung court sense, yung IQ, volleyball IQ, it's just very high at her age. And remember, he entered the collegiate level at 16.
From the Angeles University Foundation. LaSalle pouring it on here. Offense and defense clicking for Coach Ramil.
Mahirap didepensa pagka ganun galing kayo sa gitna as papunta sa labas. Yun yung makikita kung papasok yung bola o hindi. Alanganin nyo naman yun. Okay? So, tingnan nyo lang kung sino yung dapat bigyan ng bola sa kabila. Bantayan nyo yan. Okay? Okay, go.
Five consecutive. Let's go. Hey!
Kalmadong-kalmado. Narinig mo yung sigaw ni Abigail doon. 4th consecutive. Looking for their 4th straight win are the Lady Spikers to get them to 4-1 before the Christmas break. Ateneo, of course, on top with a clean slate, 5-0.
So once again, nandito na sa situation wherein you don't want to give momentum to the Lady Bulldogs. So let's see again the show of dominance ng Lasal if it's going to come out in this game. Well, a slow reaction from Demecillo on that
Exactly.
last play.
Exactly. Sa volleyball, your reflexes have to be really quick, especially in plays like that. Demecillo. Oh, it touches the line.
It's just really way outside the court when she took that hit. Pero just enough power to give that point to
And a
DLSU.
rare mistake by Jen Reyes. Mahirap na, borderline talaga yan eh. Good serve. And again, look at Jen. Look at Saliban. She didn't even have to move her feet.
So what you like about Jen, kaya yung hindi nahihirapan yung setters because she gives it to you. She hands it to you.
Yep. Yun na nga. Yun yung word dun. No? Hands it over to the setter.
Kaya si Coach Francis, kaya siya nagagalit because si Saliba does not give it to the quickers. Diba? You are given a perfect first ball. Bakit open ng open?
Okay,
That is
okay.
actually the case there.
Santiago sends it back. Demecillo. Santiago is there. Demecillo again. Oh, and again, it skips the line.
Everything going for DLSU at this point.
So it is Abigail Maraño's turn. 22 serving 16. One set ahead are the Lady Spikers. It's not good enough against LaSalle here. Those kinds of tips.
This is what you get when you give out almost a free ball
Yep.
to De La Salle. Ang dali. It was too easy.
General will check in for Urdas from National University. That is Fatima General from Bicol.
You know, at this point now, I'm pretty sure they're missing Ivy Perez.
Yes.
And that goes really wide.
And sets up set point for LaSalle here. 24, serving 16. Boy, NU is getting hit bad here. He started off really well, and after 6-6, yung score, umiba na. Nung nag-8-6 yung LaSalle, umiba yung complexion bigla eh.
Well, LaSalle now, set point. So a chance for them to get this one with the play. Oh,
Yeah, not
well,
even.
They didn't have to.
Not even. Handed over by Dintin Santiago on a silver platter. Was the second set on a service error. So LaSalle going for its fourth straight win, up 2 sets to love.